parents, I, Neeta Sahni, has started Urjitah, an active learning after school in Omics Residency 2. Here at Urjitah, we teach school curriculum by applying various active learning strategies that push the children beyond memorization. We always strive to boost the self-esteem and confidence of the children by engaging them in different kind of activities. And today again, I have come up with one of such activities, role play. In this role play, a boy of class 1 is ordering a pizza and a girl of KG class is taking the order. The children are so excited to play different characters and are motivated to speak in English when they are given different roles to play. So next time, when your children will be ordering pizza for you, so enjoy the pizza delivered at your doorsteps with your family. So let's watch the mesmerizing performance of the kids.
Is the pizza shop? Yes, Jim's Pizza. How can I help you? I would like a one large pizza please with onion and olives. Okay. Would you like a side dish? I would like a one large salad please. No problem. Anything else? Yes, one large bottle of Coke please. Okay, great. So that's one large pizza with onion and olive, a large salad, and a large bottle of Coke. Yes, that's right. How much is that? That's 1,000 rupees. Can you give me your name and address? My name is Arnav Gupta. My address is Tower 20 1502 Omics R2 Urjitah. Okay, can you give me your telephone number? My telephone number is 9838201343. Okay, thank you. Your order will be delivered in 15 minutes. Thank you for your order. Goodbye.